Welcome back, you ladies and gents. Just been delivered this Lumi black metal magnetic ballast. Instructions, the 600 watt dual spectrum lamp bulb. This is hopefully to help me plants. All this was an incredible bargain price. Well, I think it is anyway. £58 with delivery. That's it all there. And this is what I've set up, just temporary, just till I get a grow tent to put it all in. As you can see, a bit Heath Robinson. There's the ballast. Just alter this a little bit. There's the 600 watt ballast. As you can see, looking great. So hopefully they will all start growing a little bit wider now, a little bit stronger. So let's switch it on and have a look, shall we? Wow, now that is bright. I've got a timer so I can time it for 16 hours on, 8 hours off. So I've got sweet peas and I've got dianthus, geranium and hollyhock there. And hopefully that's the right height. If it's not, I can always adjust it. So that's my new light come and my new plants. Any questions about it, don't hesitate to ask. It's also it's a high pressure sodium bulb. That's what's in it. So hopefully I'm going to replace that with some energy saving bulbs in the next coming months. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.